Hi guys, if you are getting this error camera unknown part, the camera for this phone is not recognized. If you have restarted your phone and whenever you try to use your camera it says like this. So normally what happens that it may be due to an hardware fault or something like that, but a workaround for this is just go to App Store and then you have to just search Horizon camera. Okay, this is a freeware. Okay, just search this and just install it. Okay, it may ask for your password to install this app. Now once this app gets installed on your iPhone, then use this app for taking any, using the camera, and it will be a workaround. Now in the meantime you can also contact Apple Care or service centers to check whether there is any hardware issue. Now if this also does not fix, then what you can do, you can just update your iPhone to the latest version. Just go to settings, go to general and go to software update, and if there are any updates available, try to update your system to the latest version. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.